Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are bringing you to the beautiful city and community of Sandbrock Ranch in the city of Aubrey. We are going to be touring one of their brand new floor plans here in the 45 lots.
Hey guys, this is Gus and Karla here. We are your Dallas real estate agents. We help many families just like yours buy, sell, invest, and relocate here into the DFW market. Welcome to another one of our videos. I hope you enjoy this walkthrough. Hey guys, so here in Sandbrock, obviously this is one of the best communities here in the city of Aubrey. One of our favorites, that's for sure. And we want to talk a little bit about the community. We've done several walkthroughs of their Highland home model homes. And so you do get a community center, amenity center, I'm sorry. You do get a gym here, fishing ponds, infinity style resort pool. Man, what else do you get? Dog parks.
Tree house.
Tree house for the kiddos.
Playground.
Yeah, very unique community. If you haven't seen, watch another one of our Sandbrock videos, go ahead and check it out right here. Horses as well. This is a very unique community here that you can go ahead and take pictures with the horses, go ahead and feed them, cows as well. So it's a very country feeling, lots of green, lots of open spaces for you.
Yes. So today we're going to be walking one of their brand new floor plans, and they just opened up a new phase. So they've got some really cool new floor plans going in. And this one is actually one of our favorites. And this is the Ellington, I wanted to get that right. The Ellington floor plan.
Yeah.
And it starts off at $477. Right now they have 2 inventory homes that are in the 500s because of all the upgrades that they've put in them.
Yeah.
So they're great, beautiful homes. You can get 3 to 5 bedrooms, and you can opt to do 2 to 4 bathrooms. So you are able to do some structural changes to it to fit your needs.
Yeah.
They start off at like close to 2,500 square feet, but can range up to almost 2,700 depending on what you put in them.
Yeah. I actually didn't think I would like this floor plan as much as I do after walking it. There is a master bedroom downstairs, office downstairs, game room upstairs with 3 more bedrooms. So the space is great, layout works out. So this is a beautiful home.
It is. So it's really well planned out. They are not leaving any space unused.
Yeah.
So they've done great with the space that they have. So you guys check out the video. Let us know what you think about it. Let us know what their finishes are that you like the most. And do us a favor, if you are interested in purchasing here in the beautiful community of Sandbrock Ranch, give us a call. We've got great relationships with the builder, so we're able to help you guys get the best price possible and lock you guys in at with some great incentives.
Yeah, if you haven't done so, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our content that we post each and every week. We're gonna stop talking now. I hope you enjoy the walkthrough. Let's go.
Okay guys, well there you have it. We hope that you enjoyed this beautiful walkthrough. This home has so much to offer, and the layout is just great for so many different reasons, and it fits so many families' needs.
Yeah, let us know what your favorite part was. My favorite part was that game room upstairs, and very cool space. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and that like button, and leave a comment and let us know what you thought of this beautiful home here in the community of Sandbrock Ranch.